Have you forgotten your Wells Fargo password? Don't worry, it's a common issue. This video will guide you through resetting your password using both the Wells Fargo mobile app and the website. As of late 2025, Wells Fargo prioritizes security, so the process involves multi-factor authentication to verify your identity. Whether you prefer using your phone or a computer, we'll cover all the necessary steps to regain access to your account securely. First, let's look at resetting via the mobile app. Open the Wells Fargo app and tap Sign In. Then select Forgot Password, enter your username or account number, complete multi-factor authentication, and set a new password. Now for the website method, go to wellsfargo.com and click Sign On. Select Forgot Username or Password, enter your account details, verify with multi-factor authentication, and create a new password. Both methods use multi-factor authentication for security, as shown in this diagram. Use these secure methods to regain access to your Wells Fargo account. Let's walk through the reset process for both platforms. First, on the Wells Fargo website, wellsfargo.com, click Forgot Password on the login page. You'll need to enter your username or account number, then verify your identity using security questions, a code sent via SMS or email, or biometrics if enabled. A temporary password will be issued that you must change immediately. In the Wells Fargo mobile app, tap Sign In, then Forgot Password. The steps are similar. Verify your identity using the available MFA options. The app supports biometric unlocks after the reset for added convenience. Remember, Wells Fargo has enhanced security, so expect real-time risk assessments during the reset. If you encounter any issues, contact Wells Fargo customer service at 1-800-869-3557.